From riding and roping to gardening and beekeeping, staying active is essential. And today I have a fantastic recipe to keep your energy levels up. My famous peanut butter protein balls with a zesty twist of wild orange essential oil. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Candace. I'm a scientist turned rancher, and I love staying active and healthy even in my 60s. And for those of you looking to dive deeper into living an active, healthy lifestyle, register for my weekly workshop in the show notes below. Together, we can make the most of every day, no matter our age, because if I can keep up with this busy life, so can you. These protein bites are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. So let's get started. Here's what you need. 1 cup of shredded coconut, 1 cup of your favorite peanut butter, or actually any nut butter, 1 cup of dried fruit, a half a cup of raw honey straight from my own hives, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and 3 drops of wild orange essential oil. Plus, we're going to reserve half of that coconut for rolling after we've mixed the ingredients. Now let's talk about the star ingredient, wild orange essential oil. It's known for its uplifting and invigorating properties, and it's packed with antioxidants. Plus, it adds a delightful citrus flavor to our protein bites. Now I'm going to put all of these ingredients in my blender, reserving half of that coconut to roll these protein balls in when we've got it all blended up. And then I'll be back when we've got the blending done. We are not going to add the wild orange until we've blended it first. My mixture is pretty well blended, so now I'm gonna add 3 drops of wild orange essential oil. And you know, this is the time to remember, only use certified, pure, tested grade essential oils that are safe for internal use. I'm heading back to the blender. I'm just going to get that wild orange mixed in there, and then we're going to form them into balls. All right, I'm back from the blender, and this ended up being really sticky. It kind of looks like a scary science experiment, actually, but it tastes delicious, trust me. Now what I'm going to do is just take my coconut that I reserved. I rolled my sticky peanut butter mixture into a ball, and then I'm just going to roll it in my coconut. Oh my gosh, these are so good and so easy. These protein bites are perfect for a quick snack, post-workout energy boost, or even a healthy dessert. Or as I like to call it, the perfect answer to your 3 p.m. snack attack. Now I'm going to store these in the fridge to keep them fresh and ready to grab whenever I need a boost. Just try to resist eating them all in one go. I dare you. These are not only delicious, but also incredibly healthy. The peanut butter and chia seeds provide a great source of protein, while the honey and dried fruit give you that natural energy boost. So there you have it, healthy homemade peanut butter protein balls with a zesty kick. Perfect for anyone who loves knowing exactly what's in their snacks. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good peanut butter treat? So if you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon to get notified of my weekly workshops and more healthy living tips. And don't forget to comment below. I would really love to hear how you stay active and what your favorite healthy snacks are. Thanks for watching, and remember, a healthy lifestyle starts with what you eat. See you next time.